channel. I hope you all are doing well, guys. In today's video I'm going to create this makeup look, guys. This very glittery eye look, and if you want to create this look, please keep on watching. And if you are new to my channel, then please take a moment to subscribe my channel. It's mean a lot. And also, guys, you can follow me on Instagram. My handle is this. So let's get started this video. Hey guys, for today's makeup look I'm going to start off with the moisturizer. For that I'm going to use this, guys. This is the Nivea soft light moisturizer, guys, and you can use this moisturizer your face, body and hand also. So guys, I'm going to use this. So guys, currently I am loving this moisturizer, and also it is very lightweight and also absorb in your skin very quickly. If you want to try this, guys, you can definitely try this one, guys, because it is very affordable and also nice face moisturizer. So guys, next for the primer, here I am using Swiss Beauty Real Base Makeup Primer in the shade 02 Natural, and guys, this is very illuminating and hydrating base primer. So I just love this primer, guys, and as you can see how illuminating it is, and whenever you want to do a Indian or a glowy makeup look, so guys, you always have to apply a illuminating base cream or illuminating primer like this underneath your foundation, so your face is looking so glowy and healthy. So guys, after applying my primer, next for the eyebrow, here I am using very affordable product, guys. This is the Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil. This is in the shade grey, and guys, this is very affordable. It is somewhere between 60 to 70 rupees. And guys, next I'm going to first comb my eyebrow and next fill with this eyebrow pencil, guys. As you can see, it is very nice and pigmented. And next I'm going to comb it again so that my all over product is spread evenly. Next, guys, for cleaning my eyebrow, here I am using this Swiss Beauty concealer. This is my all-time favorite concealer, guys. So this is in the shade 02 Sand, and I am going to clean my eyebrow and also conceal my eyelid. So as you can see how I am going to do this, so you have to do exactly. And guys, next for blending this, I'm going to use this beauty blender, guys. This is from Inside, and this is very affordable, at the same time very squishy, so you can definitely try this one. And guys, for more coverage, I'm going to use this concealer brush, and this is from Cuffs and Lashes, and this is very nice and dense concealer brush, guys. And lastly, I'm going to running my beauty blender so that my concealer is blended very well. So guys, next for setting my eyelid, here I am using this Wet n Wild contour plus banana powder kit, guys, and it is very nice pigmented contour plus banana powder kit, guys. So using this banana powder, first I'm going to set my eyelid. So guys, starting with the eye makeup, here I'm using this eyeshadow kit. This is the Wet n Wild eyeshadow kit. This is in the shade Rose in the Air, and I'm going to pick this chocolate brown shade and apply in my crease, guys. So guys, for more definition, I'm going to pick this chocolate brown shade, and for blending, I'm going to use this brush, guys. This is the Cuffs and Lashes brush, and it is very fluffy, at the same time very sturdy brush, guys. So I'm just slowly apply this color in my crease and also blend it well, so there is no harsh line in my crease line. Next, guys, after applying this shade, next I'm going to draw a cut crease. For that, I'm going to use a concealer. This is the Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade 02 Sand, and I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty brush, guys. This is the flat shader brush, and it is really good in quality. Next, for my crease, here I'm using this eyeshadow palette, guys. This is the SFR Hated with Love palette, guys, and for my crease shade, I'm going to pick this red shade, guys, and it is very pigmented and also it has some fallout. So whenever you are going to use this palette, you have to be careful and always do your eye makeup first, and next you have to do your face makeup, guys. So guys, next I'm going to pick this pink color and apply in my outer corner, as you can see, so there is no harsh line. And guys, for more intense look, I'm going to pick a dark shade, and I'm going to use this dark purple shade in my outer corner, and as you can see, it is very pigmented, at the same time very blendable color, guys. So it will look so intense after applying this, guys. And for the glitter, I'm going to use this red glitter, guys, and apply in my crease area. For the face makeup, here I'm using this Lakme 925 foundation. This is in the shade Warm Natural, and this is my perfect shade. And guys, this formula is really nice. Also, it will give you a very dewy finish, guys. And it is a medium to full coverage foundation, and personally I just love this foundation. And also it is very affordable. It is under 500 rupees, so you can definitely try this one, guys. And this is my all-time favorite foundation, guys. Next, for concealing and highlighting my face, guys, here I'm using this Swiss Beauty concealer, and I'm going to apply in my usual area like under eye, forehead, nose, cupid bow, chin. And as you can see, it is a highlighting shade. This is in the shade 0 to Sand, and personally I just love this concealer, guys, just because it is very blendable, it has a high coverage, and also it is very affordable, so you can definitely try this one, guys. So guys, today I'm going to do a cream contouring also. For that I'm going to use this NYB cream contour stick, and this is in the shade Toffee. And as you can see, guys, it is very pigmented and very creamy, and also very blendable, so you can definitely try this one. And also this is very affordable. It is somewhere between 100 to 150 bucks, so you can definitely try this one, guys. And for blending, I'm going to use this Cuffs and Lashes brush, guys. And I am personally using this brush for my nose contour, just because it has in this shape, guys. So guys, just because I want to sharpen up my features, so I'm going to use a cream contour, and then I will use a powder contour over it. So first I'm going to just blend this, and next I'm going to running my beauty blender over it, so it will blend seamlessly. And guys, as you can see, after blending with the beauty blender, it will blend so well, guys. For setting my face, I'm going to use this Mars Cosmetic banana powder, and guys, this is very nice in quality, and also it sets your face like high-end product, guys, so you can definitely try this one. And also guys, for पहले मैं Swiss Beauty का बनाना पाउडर यूज़ में लेती थी, वो भी मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगता था. एंड ऑल्सो अब मैं यहाँ पर इस बनाना पाउडर को यूज़ में ले रही हूँ, ये भी मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है. So you can definitely try this one, guys. And next, guys, I'm going to dust off the excess and also set my overall face using a brush. And for powder contouring my face, I'm going to use this Sugar Cosmetic contour kit, guys. And today I'm going to do very heavy with the contour, so my face is looking so chiseled and sharp. So guys, if you are searching a affordable contour, so you can definitely go for Sugar Cosmetic this mini contour kit, guys. It is very pigmented and well formulated, also very blendable, guys, so you can definitely try this one. And also as you can see, मैंने इसको कितना यूज़ में ले चुके हैं, तो आप definitely इसे purchase कर सकते हैं, guys. And after contouring my face, I'm going to contour my nose also using this contour kit, guys. Lastly, for setting my all over face, I'm going to use a beauty blender and running all over my face so that my all product blend seamlessly. For sharpen up my contour, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Duo kit, guys, and I'm going to use this banana powder and sharpen up my contour. As you can see how beautiful it look after applying this. And for blush, I'm going to use this Stay Quirky blush. This is in the shade Pink Diva. And guys, if you are searching for a affordable brush, then you can definitely try this one, guys. It is very pigmented and also stay for a long time, so you can definitely try this one, guys. आप जब भी ये ब्लश यूज़ में लें, तब आपको काफ़ी लाइट हैंडेड एंड ऑल्सो काफ़ी कम प्रोडक्ट को ही पिक करना है. देन यू हैव टू अप्लाई दिस बिकॉज गाइज इट इज़ हेल पिगमेंटेड. मैं यहाँ पर नोज़ पे और चिन पे भी अप्लाई कर लूँगी इस कॉन्टूर को. नेक्स्ट, फॉर हाईलाइटिंग माई फेस, आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ दिस Maybelline मास्टर क्रोम हाईलाइटर एंड इट लुक्स सो ब्यूटिफुल. And I'm going to highlight my usual area like cheekbone, nose and cupid bow, chin and forehead, guys. Next guys, completing my eye look, I'm going to use this Mars Cosmetic pen eyeliner and I'm going to draw a wing using this. And it tip is very fine and nice, so you can easily draw a line with this. And also guys, it is very black, so personally I just love this Mars eyeliner guys. So guys, after draw my eyeliner, next I'm going to use a kajal. For that I'm going to use this Mars Cosmetic kajal guys, and I'm going to apply in my upper and lower waterline. And guys, as you can see how black it is, and also it is very smooth, so I'm easily applying this. Next guys, I'm going to smudge it using this Swiss Beauty small shader brush guys, and after that I'm going to apply a mascara for my lower lash line. And also guys, I have applied the false lashes, and my look is turned out like this. My eye look is looking so beautiful. And for mascara, I'm going to use this Maybelline Colossal mascara guys. Lastly, for the lipstick, I am going to use this liquid lipstick from my Glam, and this is in the shade Hookup, and this is a perfect nude shade guys. And I'm going to apply very less, and after that I'm going to use my finger to spread it, so it looks so nude, and less quantity of product on my lips. So after that I'm going to use this lip gloss, and this is from Swiss Beauty, and I'm going to apply this. So guys, this is my final look. I hope you like this video, and if you do, then please subscribe to my channel guys. Take care guys, bye bye.